Alright gang, how y'all doing? If you're here, you're probably here to watch me put on this wig and how it looks like on my head. So be sure you've already subscribed to this channel. If you haven't yet, Oga, I beg, go do what you guys to do. I beg, go subscribe. I don't like this. Go subscribe. I don't like this. Are you done? Okay, good. Yeah, welcome to this humble family. Welcome to the gang. But if you've already been here, guys, I love you guys so much, and I cannot express enough of how much I appreciate you all. So yeah, without further ado, stay tuned and let's get right into this video. Hey my adults, how y'all doing? Okay guys, so this is the wig right here, and today I'm gonna be showing you all how to wear a wig to make it look like, you know, to make it like horse. Oh, you know what I'm saying? Okay guys, so without further ado, let's get started. And for now guys, let me know, like, I cannot remove it and braid it again. I'm too lazy for that. Yes, you can come for me in the comments, whatever, but I am too lazy for that. Guys, I am not a lazy person. An important work is there to do. I would do it, but I am a lazy person. Yes, I am. We're just gonna be putting that. Ouch. Okay. Guys, so this is my old wig cap. Now, mind you, this is not the bald cap method, but you need this because it gets your hair in place and make it a little more, you know, put together and not like a rabbit hole. I'm just gonna be wearing that on top of my head and fold my hair in underneath it. This is what you came for. You can now leave now. So guys, after that is in, as you guys can see, it makes the head a little bit, you know, a little bit put together. You feel me? Yes. So now we're just gonna be drawing that. Oh, my eyebrows, guys. I need to shave my face, my hair's growing. Yes, guys, I have hair on my face, which is not attractive. Guys, your girl is just like having fun. Guys, this hair, I know it's amazing. If you guys want me to link, you know, where I got this hair from, I will, sure. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be putting that in now and tuck the elastic band at the back where the puff is, so it goes more down. And yeah, just basically wet the cup in that. And are you guys ready? Ta-da! Ta-da, 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 ta-da. And mind you guys, this is not the ball cap method, but if you guys want me to do the ball cap method, all you have to do is just comment it down and you will see it. So I'm just gonna be doing this. I'm gonna be arranging the hair first before I do anything, because that is the most hardest part. And this is actually the most easiest way you can wear a wig if you're learning. This is not for like pros and all that, no. This is for people who are learning, because I'm sorry, but I'm not a pro. I'm no pro. And come to the back, come to the back, come to the back, come to the back. So I'm gonna be using the pink to hold that. Actually, that pin was given to me by the lady I bought the hair from. She fixes the hair on you, and she gave me that pin, and all the missed it. They were very useful. Okay, so basically, guys, like I said, this is the most simplest way to wear a wig. But anything in the future, I might show you guys more techniques. But for now, this for my learners out there. Okay guys, so we're just gonna be putting that, and you have to make sure they're intact, or else that is gonna give you a little bit problem. So guys, since that is on there, instead of me putting it, I'm just gonna be putting the glue on there, on the lace.
Hey guys, so while putting the glue, you're supposed to lean backwards, but in this case I'm leaning forward, so the glue keeps coming to my face, which is so annoying. So when you're doing it, lean your head backwards so it's more better for you. My mirror is in front of me, so I cannot lean my head backwards. After spraying the glue onto my lace, I'm just gonna go ahead and do other things while the glue becomes partially dry. And I'm gonna go ahead and remove all the baby hair in front of the lace, because you want that lace to look as neat as possible. And I'm using the back of the comb to press in that lace for it to melt into my skin. So guys, onto the next side. I'm just going to be arranging that properly, and I'm going to be spraying water on the wig, because for me it helps take the chanchkos, the rather falls, the chummies to the back, so that works perfectly fine for me. Now I'm just gonna be arranging the hairline of the wig, because you want that to be properly fixed. You don't want to go about looking like a mad woman.
Guys, so you have to basically put your head like this while putting the glue on.
There, I'm just gonna take my hair dryer and go through that for everything to be fully dried off and secured, because you don't want that wig coming off. And guys, on a normal day I do not use hair dryer on my hair, but in this case we're in a hurry, we got to hurry up, so yes, use it.
So guys, now we're gonna be doing the underneath. And this, guys, takes a while. You just have to be patient with it. It does take a while to master the act of putting glue underneath here. You guys to be a really patient person. Even though I'm not a patient person at all. I'm the worst at it. Mine too. Go get that degree, go girl. And spray that another more time, baby. The problem share is the problem solved, so I tell my niggas so we get them solved. Mama come and say she not do his body. What are you doing, son? You are dolly. 4 years in last week is really nothing. Better get that money, son. We are starving. Mama tell me, say she don't care belly. Mama and Papa must know, yeah. I've been thinking, just wanna see my friends in that Range Rover. When I pull up in a phantom, tell bitches game over. Popping pills in a penthouse, chilling on a coda. She cool I like her, she watch Poco dance. She's in love with her lifestyle. Let me go clean the excess glue in front of my face, as you guys can see, and I'll be right back. Guys, I'm back, yeah. I'm gonna be using my moves. I hope you guys don't mind with my leg being up. I hope you guys can see my leg. But guys, this is the most comfortable way to put this mirror. I don't have a... I can't even comb my brows. I don't have a big mirror, so this is the only way I know comfortable to put this. Okay guys, so it's time for the edges, and I'm just gonna be applying that on there. Come and promise, you know say boys go chop every day with scam. All night no sleeping. Boy, I see, I go alaba, I buy happy. Also for 6 months I no care money. Shout out to my niggas so they stop for me. The problem share is the problem solved, so I tell my niggas so we get them solved. So guys, after that is done, I'm just gonna be tying this now with this scarf, and for everything to just lay down. So I went to do my makeup, yeah. And I haven't removed this, even though after putting my makeup on. So after I remove this, I have to come put my foundation and zazaza on there, you know me. Wait, where's this comb? Guys, I keep Guys, I keep misplacing my comb. I can actually pull up a lot of styles in this, but I don't know what style I want to do. Oh my god, why am I confused? Middle or side? I'll do a middle. Okay guys, let me remove this. It's time. Who's that? Oh no, that's a different girl. I know her. I know her. She's different. Oh nah, she different. Yeah, that ain't your normal, usual, average looking red. No, that's a different red. You feel me, guys? Do you feel me? Do you feel my energy, guys? Look at her. Oh my god, talking about fake scalp. Where you at? Look at this. Guys, can you see? Can you see that? Zoom in, zoom. Let me go do my, up here, touch up and all those stuff, foundation, and I'll be back for you guys. I went to do that, and now it is all done, as you guys can see. It looks so nice, I know. Okay, guys, so after splitting that, I'm just gonna divide that into two. And yes, after dividing that, I'm just gonna be straightening that. Guys, I'm now applying my heat protector spray, and I like putting this on my hands, and then just go over the hair like that. I need to do an in-depth tutorial on how I straighten my hair. Some annoying thing just happened. So I bought a light, and just new light recently. I think you guys even saw the video, and I put it on to shoot this, and it was actually working perfectly well. Everything was okay, and I even liked it because it was bright. You guys could see me clear, and then all of a sudden it just went off. So now I'm just using one light, guys. Bear with me. If this video is not that clear, apparently it's the batteries that have problem. I hope they come take it tomorrow. Oh, Becca is gonna come out. Yes, guys, in case you don't know, my name is Rebecca. So that is the hair. We've selected the hair. Okay. And now we're just gonna be straightening that. So my heat protector, I like putting it on the lowest form. So I'm gonna be straightening my hair now. But like I said, guys, I'm gonna be doing an in-depth tutorial on how I straighten it. For now, just get this one. So we get them so. Yeah, mo ti suffer, mo ti jìyà, bí ti jìyà, mo tún sáṣẹ́ ní màdé kí lè rówó díẹ̀. Pàbó ló já sí wẹ̀ láì, àdètẹ́ tí láyọ̀ bá gbé náà wojú mi, mo máa díẹ̀, ọlọ́run mo máa díẹ̀. So guys, this is me without, mousse or whatever. Okay guys, so I'm putting my, the real deal, my mousse. You guys to have this because this puts all the chammies. It puts all the chammies in place. I'm gonna be using my ironing comb. This is a must-have, guys. This is a must-have, and God bless the person that invented this, because a straightening iron cannot put this flat. That shit is annoying, even if you try to, it's hard. This is perfect. Guys, but when you're using this for the first time, please, my red gang, I'll have to be careful. I've hurt myself with this several times. So basically you're just gonna be cooling it off like this. The mousse in the hair helps to flatten the hair while you put the ironing foam, and it lays down all those frizzy hair like this. So if I can root Cora, I will be happy, but I can't root them out, so let them be there. So guys, as y'all can see, I am done straightening my hair. Guys, as y'all can see, I am done straightening my hair, and this is how it looks like. It feels so nice. Oh guys, oh guys, imagine that hair just now. This is it, honey. Yes. So guys, if you guys want my tips and tricks and how to, do that shit right, or anyway, in fact, even if you don't let me know, I'm going to do it. No, I'm just informing you feel me? I love this hair, like, guys, you guys know we're now a gang, right? You guys are my personal persons. Exactly. We're gang. But you guys are still my dolls though, and no one messes with my dolls. I was such a girly girl growing up, like, but after I grew up, I became some stubborn girl. Some stubborn, tomboyish kind of girl. Okay guys, so this is my hair, and how do I look, guys? How do I look? What you guys think? Okay. What you guys think about your girl? Your girl. Do you like it? Okay. Okay. You know when you get too nice but you start feeling yourself, and then it becomes too worse that everyone gets tired of you. This is the kind. You guys are gonna get tired. Guys, do you see how slick that hair is? Like, girl. Look at that. Please. I've been looking for, accents and all that. I'm not from here.
Sat down with the president of Disney Channel and I said, I want to make history.
What? Oh, you're not getting what I'm saying. Actually, I'm trying to say peace, man. Bye, guys. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribed if you've gotten up to this point. I love you. Mwah. See you on another video very soon, every week, as you guys know. Bye. I get some water though. I'm kind of feeling thirsty.